Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making authentic goulash. You're going to need 5.5 pounds of beef, stew meat, 5 large onions chopped, 450 grams of bacon or 10 slices, 1/4 cup oil, 3 tablespoons salt, 1 tablespoon of each thyme, sage and rosemary, 1.5 tablespoon pepper, 3 tablespoons sweet paprika and 1 tablespoon hot paprika, 2 tablespoons garlic, 3 bay leaves, 2 cups of red wine, 2 cups of chicken broth, 6 ounces of tomato paste, we're going to start with frying bacon until it's crisp. When bacon is crisp and golden, we're going to take it out of the pan, but keep the bacon oil. Before we cook the stew meat, we're going to cover it with salt and pepper. When you start cooking meat, make sure you don't overlap them or overload them. Just put enough so every piece touches the bottom of the pan, because every piece needs to be browned on all sides. After it's done cooking on one side, turn them over and cook the other side. Then when you take them out, take them one by one so you keep the juices and oil. Then repeat this step until all the meat is cooked. After all meat is done, you can transfer them to cooking pot. In the same pan where we cook meat, where we have all these oils and juices, we're going to put mixture of thyme, sage and rosemary. And then just let it cook for a minute or so. Add garlic. Add 1/4 cup oil. Add all the onions. Add the mixture of 3 spoons of sweet paprika and 1 spoon of hot paprika. Add bacon, add 6 ounces of tomato paste, mix it all well. Add 2 cups of chicken broth, now we're going to add 2 cups of red wine on top of the meat. And then add the rest from the pan. Mix it all well. Add 3 bay leaves, if you're using stovetop, simmer it for 1.5 hours to 2 hours on low, and if you're using crockpot, cook it for 4 hours on high. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.